Aquarium installation by Marine Dreams. Keep an empty tank. Do not try to move aquarium filled with water. Place a thermocol sheet under it to make the base soft. Place some pipe seekers to fix air pump pipe. Connect your aquarium toy to pipe. Wash the stones with water only. No soap, no detergent, no chemicals. Put stones on the bottom of your aquarium, covering your air pipe. Place filter inside aquarium. Filter should be completely submersible. Fill the water. Add heater if the temperature is below 26 degrees. Temperature should range between 28 degrees to 32 degrees Celsius. Add water supplements, medicines to match your water, anti-chlorine and beneficial bacteria. Water needs to be cycled for 72 hours minimum. Add aquarium salt to your aquarium. Float fishes inside aquarium for 15 to 20 minutes. Open your fish bag and dip it in aquarium. Wait for another 2 minutes. Transfer your fish to aquarium.